Carving the Divine is about Buddhist sculptors of Japan, and we see different kind of Buddhist statues in our movie. But sometimes people wonder why Shingon has so many statues, so many deities. I think it's confusing for some people. Please tell us about it.
Okay, we do have many different statues, especially here in the center. You can see it's a part of the deity, our founder Kukai, and right this side Kannon Bodhisattva, and that is a Fudomyo. So we have 3 statues here. In the main hall, we do have more statues. Yakushi Nyorai Bodhisattva, 13 Buddha's scroll, then Aizen Myo, different type of the Myo, angry face Buddha statue, we do have it. So anyone can become a Buddha. So that meaning is we do have a statue as a number as a human being. So same as a human being's number. Everything is transformed by Mahavairochana Buddha because we are part of the Mahavairochana Buddha. So he transformed to the like a different shape, the things most appropriate. There is some village used to had some big this like a sickness, like a disaster came to the village. There many people were very struggling. So they made a prayer to treatment the village, secure and cure the village. And then had a prayer to Yakushi Nyorai Bodhisattva. The deity represented the cure, holding the medicine box. The village, after all illness is gone, after that, the village decided to build a temple and have a statue, the Yakushi Nyorai Bodhisattva. Which statue temple has like this, depend on the history or some like a spiritual fate influence. But mainly, we do have a Mahavairochana Buddha in the center, then have other deities in the side.
So you're saying that, because we as a human beings or creatures have different kind of types. So as statues as well. So means basically I can create I can think of the statue that I wanna worship or pray for, and I can make it as a main deity. That's what you mean?
Yes, I would say yes. So I would say you have similar things in our tradition. So Japanese tradition, oihai is a Buddhism altar. The tablets written the Buddhist name, and then the people pray for it. It's a part of the statue. The shape is different. It's about the same object we pray. So what type of object, appearance, design is appropriate? That people create eventually. The meaning is you can create your things if you like, but we do have the Buddhas already. So our ancestors, the people who very respect around us.
So basically, we are part of Dairichi Ryorai, or we are Dairichi Ryorai. So it doesn't really matter what we pray for, because in the end, we are the same.
Yes.
Beautiful. That's a very beautiful philosophy behind. So I'm very impressed.